Hello guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna tell you preferences for long trips, sharing and collaborating. So guys, for long trips, sharing and collaborating features make planning much easier and stress-free. Apps like Google Maps allow you to share your live location, route and ETA with friends or family so everyone stays updated. You can also collaborate by sharing saved places, stop hotels or restaurant and planning routes together. This helps avoid confusion, improve safety and keeps everyone on the same page during the journey. Sharing and collaboration features make long trips more organized, smoother and more enjoyable for everyone involved. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.